cars did attend?
100.
Oh yeah, it's capped. It's capped to 100.
Here comes the bikers.
Oh yeah. Oh, a biker did a thumb up. I'm shocked.
Yes. Oh my god, this is so insane.
He used to do the other way around. Another Performante, Sebastian, yeah. And a biker that's actually friendly. I'm shocked.
Yes.
A bicyclist.
Bicyclist.
It's a lovely sound. What a response it is.
Oh, absolutely amazing car. Everything is just badass.
No turbocharger, no anything. It's funny that this car also sounds like that
This is an identical car.
Thank you. Tjena Sebastian.
Herr Ekman. Ja.
Har du fixat punkan?
Jajamän. Och R-däck istället.
Ja det är det. Så det kanske inte blir punka på dem. De är punkteringssäkra.
Ja, precis.
Right. It's nice to know to have somebody else making the sound for you, but you know the car you're sitting is also enabled to do the sounds. So how come you pick the date? You choose a very good date for the weather. It's like 30 degrees in Stockholm.
Well, always when because the school's out, it's always on the 8th or the 10th. It's always in my childhood, always been good weather.
That's right, students.
Yes. Yes. So that's why I chose this particular day, and it's pretty good.
Yeah, you have some good agreement with the weather gods.
The weather officer.
Weather officer, yeah. Weather gods, weather officer. So when is the next track event for you to organize?
It's in Poland. It's on the...
Oh, Gran Turismo Polonia, of course.
Yes.
So if you need any help driving this on the track, just let me know.
I will let you know. If that is going... I'm not sure if it's going to be completely necessary.
No, so we're red in front of a green light.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Wonder if it becomes red now. It's perfect.
Oh, yeah, we're waiting for red. That's a new thing. Waiting for red. This is a nice lineup. Oh, Aventador, Performante. Nice lineup. V12, V10, V10. No turbo inside.
Vi startar då. Vi kommer starta. Ja, gör det.
We have external film cameras, filmers as well. This is how did you plan this lineup? Wait for red. That's a good.
Yes, I told you. Yeah. I'm doing this for 42% of my life.
Stopping on green and wait, standing until it's red.
Where is the green?
So can everybody see launch control? Wow, the shifts are really hard. That was the shift, right? It's like, or was it the bump?
I think it was some kind of bump.
Shift and a bump. Yeah.
Suveränt han där.
Ja, men det är exakt för det är grym vy. So yeah, this day, the weekend after what you say, student.
Yes.
The school is out.
That's exactly.
And okay, so you cap it to 100. That's kind of interesting. So the more cars that want to attend, I mean, is it a per car ratio? Like the nicer car, the higher probability you can join? Or?
No, we want to have a good diversity.
Yes.
So we can't basically we can't have like a million cars of the same.
Exactly.
Yeah. So so I want
$1 million Performante would be.
Oh, yes, of course. Performante is a very nice car, of course.
Yeah.
But we can't do that. I want to have a different car. That's why today you saw that there was old Porsches and there was like a
old Ferrari replicas and everything.
It's actually a critical replica.
But also what I liked, you had also had modern cars that were not even participants that were nice. You had the new M5, new Panamera Turbo S.
Yeah, I didn't pay enough attention.
I like those cars as well.
Yeah.
What do we have behind us? Is it Performante? If you want to look back, you have. I mean, the rear world's visibility is quite okay, anyhow.
The wing is so high up, so you're looking through the letterbox of the wing.
Yeah, that's right.
What's going on now? The chaotic people.
Yeah, my experience of driving in caravans is they always.
Yeah.
It's like one person doing an opposite thing, and then the caravan is.
Yeah.
You do a U-turn here, maybe?
Yes.
Yeah. But your word for the caravan, a chaotic caravan, was kind of fitting.
Yeah.
Oh, and here we have nice. Huracán.
Holy shit.
Nice. Carrera RS, a Morgan three-wheeler. It's not so rare to have a three-wheeled car.
I was driving here the other day, here on this particular corner, and there was this guy, older guy, and I just after the corner I parked, and he came up to me and said, I got scared when you're driving like that. I got scared by the engine noise.
Oh really? Yeah.
And you're an asshole.
Oh really? Like, oh, you're an asshole. No.
I said, okay, I'm sorry, I'll think about that.
I turn off the engine or something like that. Yeah. At least he was, maybe, he was honest, but he didn't need to say that you were an asshole, maybe.
I did that and he hated it.
Oh, yeah. Either you love it or you hate it.
He was really strange, that guy. I found he's took it more personally. That guy was driving a better car than me. That was the problem, not the sound. Okay.
Yeah, it's many times it's connected. I mean,
yes,
many people want this car. I want this car, but I'm not rude to you.
Sometimes you are.
Really? When?
You asshole.
Oh, okay. Let's switch subject. No, so have you? So you have a zero experience with this on the track?
Yes, I've driven a factory car on Imola.
Okay.
First of all, Imola is one hell of a track.
Yeah, is it fast? Kind of quite fast. And
it's just beautiful.
Yeah.
It's fast. It's very a lot of fun. It's up and down. It's also quite safe, except for that poor guy from Brazil.
Yeah. Don't joke too much
about that. Of course. Yes. There's a memorial for him.
Yes,
but he had bad luck. I think the people say the steering broke or something like that.
Yeah, but because the monocoque was completely intact, I believe, but it was the G-forces that were too high.
Yeah.
From 300 to 0, it's not good for internal.
He hit,
maybe it's steering. Okay.
The steering column hit him.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Anyway, it's a beautiful track. I drove it. This is one hell of a car. It's a racing track. Yeah. I'm not, however. It's a lot of. It's just a lot of fun. The car does whatever you want to.
And what is the best reaction you have gotten from people?
This. It's a very great reaction, I think.
No, but like a fun reaction, like. Wow.
Oh, I get lots of thumbs up. I live in Poland, and also I spend the winters in Italy.
Yeah. And do cars and coffee in Sweden.
Cars and coffee in Sweden. I'm Swedish from the beginning.
Yeah.
Come on, I'm from here, so.
AMG GT.
Here we go.
Oh yeah, maybe tunnel. That would be fun.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. But I mean, thumbs up means. I remember you get happy for it.
The Italians are like that.
Yeah. Because it's a product of them. You kind of. They're proud of it.
GT2.
Oh, GT2 RS. Wow. Wow, nice.
It was Kenny Breck. You didn't see that?
No, I didn't.
It was Kenny Breck.
Wow. I need to zoom that in.
Oh God, do it for your little YouTube channel.
Yes, my little YouTube channel. I need to take
I met
the play.